Analysts say that the actress might face as much as 3 years in jail for faking her injuries to get a restraining order against her husband. Johnny Depp sued the Mirror actress for defamation over domestic abuse allegations, claiming his wife as an abuser. It is claimed that Heard may actually have faked her injuries to make it look like Depp was involved in domestic violence to get a restraining order against him. Proof Heard is losing as she goes too far. This is really desperate. The Heard-Depp legal feud started in May 2016 when Heard filed for divorce and obtained a restraining order against her husband for domestic violence. Ever since that controversy, Heard was accused for faking her bruises in order to defame her ex-husband. If the court of law proves that Heard had faked her injuries, she will face jail time for 3 years for falsifying evidence. The possibility of jail time for Heard means that there is little chance she will portray her character Mira in Aquaman 2. Moreover, it is safe to say that even if the court isn't able to prove that Heard faked her injuries, but Depp wins the lawsuit, Amber Heard will be out of Aquaman 2. James Franco has been involved in the case as the legal team of Depp wanted to take his statement regarding the incident. In the investigation, new evidence has surfaced that possibly suggests that Aquaman star have faked her alleged injuries in order to get a temporary restraining order or TRO. Depp has claimed that Heard used makeup to paint bruises and injuries to obtain a TRO. According to California Penal Code, it is illegal to alter, modify, plant, place, conceal, manufacture, or move any physical matter with the intention of causing someone to be charged with a crime. Other offenses with which Heard could be charged would include offering false evidence under California Penal Code 132 PC and preparing false evidence under California Penal Code Section 134 PC. Both laws are felony charges that can result in jail time. Amber Heard could serve up to 3 years in prison in domestic violence and defamation case against ex-husband Johnny Depp. The Aquaman starlet can be jailed if found guilty for manipulating and faking evidence in the said lawsuit. Things started to get ugly between the former couple when Amber accused Johnny of hitting her, as a result of which she sustained bruises and injuries allegedly. Amber, however, might be guilty of manipulating the evidence she submitted to court regarding this charge, after her stylist Samantha McMillan denied the claims, stating that she saw the actress on those days and see any bruises. Throughout the day of December 16, 2015, I could see clearly that Amber Heard did not have any visible marks, bruises, cuts, or injuries to her face or any other part of her body, Samantha said. If found responsible of tampering with the evidence, Amber could be sentenced for 3 years. According to U.S. law firm Walken and Claridge, the California Penal Code Section 141 PC states that it is illegal to alter. White actually pushed the date from January 2021 to May due to backlogs in the state's court system because of the coronavirus pandemic, with Depp's UK lawyers anticipating an oral hearing next month in their attempt to appeal their loss in the actor's libel suit against the Sun tabloid. The significant date shift in Virginia barely lowers the volume in the loud matter. For one thing, Heard countersued her ex-husband for $100 million last summer after failing to get the initial suit dismissed. Having been axed from the Fantastic Beasts franchise in November, mere days after Judge Andrew Nichols' damning wife-beater ruling against Depp, the actor has been on a subpoena binge in the U.S. of late. The ACLU and Elon Musk were pulled in the Virginia case earlier this month by Depp. That follows Heard dragging Pirates Studio Disney and the LAPD into the matter in January for basically everything that they might or might not have on her ex. Franco and Heard has been spotted in surveillance footage, and it is claimed that Franco had seen Heard's face before and after her court session for the restraining order when she showed her injuries. Heard's stylist Samantha McMillan said that she did not see Amber with any visible bruises, marks, injuries, or cuts on her face or any other body part. Heard's stylist also pitched in on the accident and gave a statement regarding the black eye that Depp had allegedly given Amber Heard. Heard's stylist said that she had never seen Amber with a black eye. The legal battle is continuing, with a court allowing Depp to proceed with a defamation lawsuit that he filed against his ex-wife. Amber Heard, in an op-ed in the Washington Post, has penned down her domestic abuse story. Even though she did not name Depp in the op-ed, the domestic violence story has started a controversy. and the courts are determined to solve. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's ongoing legal battle could result in the former facing up to 3 years in prison, reported CBR. Depp is suing Heard for defamation of character on her domestic abuse claims against him. As for the Aquaman 2 movie, it is believed that it will start filming in 2021. If Amber Heard is really out as her character in the movie Mira, there will be a lot of changes the fans will see, whether they like it or not. The movie has a tentative release date of December 16, 2022 and will be directed by James Wan. Meanwhile, Heard was recently allowed to present evidence about alleged sexual abuse by her ex-husband behind closed doors. Her representatives have argued that the actor shouldn't be coerced in making certain statements in front of the media, reported The Guardian. Depp is seeking $50 million in damages as part of his defamation suit against Heard. Depp had filed a lawsuit after Heard had published an op-ed in Washington Post where she spoke about the Pirates of the Caribbean actor being physically abusive against her. While she didn't take his name, a judge recently ruled that it has become clear who Heard was referring to, and as such, it could be argued as defamatory. Modify, plant, place, conceal, manufacture, or move in a physical matter with the intention of causing someone to be charged with a crime. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard won't be facing off in a Virginia courtroom anytime soon, it seems. And yet, another delay in the trial start of the former Pirates of the Caribbean star's Acida's $50 million defamation lawsuit against the Aquaman actress. The former couple now will trade barbs and evidence starting April 11, 2022. The trial is expected to last about 2 weeks. Already rescheduled several times, the trial had been set to start May 7, which was looking like the final mad rush of discovery and depositions. The new date was decided Tuesday by Fairfax County Circuit Court Chief Judge Bruce White. The last time the fuming matter was postponed was back in September of last year, while Depp had been advocating for a new delay then because of his Fantastic Beasts 3 shooting schedule.